Once you started your Jupyter Notebook server, and it will run from your local machine as you have seen here in this address bar, localhost 48. This is the port number from which the server is up and running. So you will find this interface. It's Explorer, just like Windows Explorer, from which you can navigate to your computer path or the folder in which you would like to create your Jupyter notebook. For instance, if I click on desktop, it will display all folders within my computer on the desktop. I can pick any folder here, for instance this folder, and then inside this folder I would like to create new Jupyter notebook in order to work with it. So in the upper right corner here there is new file, new menu. You can click on it, then select Python 3. Once you select Python 3, a new Jupyter notebook will be opened here in this context, and it's named Untitled. You can click on File and then press Rename, pick Rename in order to name it meaningful name. For instance, I will name it here Python, and then click Rename. Now its name becomes Python here. In Python, Jupyter Notebook interface actually has here menu bar, and there is also toolbar, and there is sales here. This sales actually is considered to be the lines in which we write our Python code. We can add new cell anytime like that by pressing on the bottom plus sign, or we can remove by pressing on this button, or we can also add cell, insert cell above or insert cell below from the menu insert. We can actually also go cell down and up from this arrow up and down, and this is after writing your code here, your Python code here. You have to press run in order for the Jupyter notebook to send what you typed here in Python to the compiler, to Python compiler, in order to process it and turn back the result. You can actually here do one thing and type comments or type heading for your document. For instance, if you would like to make a heading Python like that, and then you don't want to compile this code or execute it, you just want to display it and put it as a heading for your document, you can choose Markdown, and Markdown option will of course recognize that this text will be displayed here as title for the document. Here you can also type Python code, for instance, to test 8 times 9, and then I will run. So this is the result. 8 times 9 equals 72. I can also make simple print statement in order to see whether it's being compiled or executed. Yes. So that's how we can work and with the Jupyter notebook interface, and it's really rich because you can do comments according to your font size. You can decrease the font by adding hash like that, or increase it by removing the hash before the text. So you can send human text and you can send Python code for the compiler. Both of them can work in Jupyter Notebook. Thank you.